Evergreen. Candid. New trends in Icse computer skills for class 7. Spreadsheets, an introduction. MS Excel is a very useful program for doing calculations from simple to complex, showing data in the form of graph and with many other features. Before having an idea of what is Excel, let us first be familiar with the concept of spreadsheet and study about MS Excel. What is a spreadsheet?
A spreadsheet is a worksheet in which we can manage data in the form of columns and rows. A spreadsheet can solve our problems of data handling and long calculations.
A spreadsheet software provides facilities of doing various calculations, inserting charts and formulae, etc.
Example of spreadsheet programs are Microsoft Excel, OpenOffice.org Kelsey, Star Kelsey, Lotus 123. MS Excel. MS Excel is a very mathematical mouse on MS Excel icon display. What is the ribbon?
Database and
HTML